What's up, guys? Today we're gonna do some upper coilover and bypass mounts. My buddy Patrick over at Boss Trucks. We're gonna show you how I do it on my system, start to finish. So let's get to it. I got my Mach 4 open right here. We're gonna load up the G code and get some stuff cut. Go to load G code, go to our most recent file, open that up. You can kind of see it over here, the tool paths. Got a few lines of code going on. Right now we're at our X, Y, and zeroed out. So we're gonna go ahead and check that. And we're gonna bring this down right here. So we're going to manual Z down. So we're gonna drop it down. We're gonna make sure that we're close to the edge of the material. We're good on our X, Y zeroed out. This is the first set we cut out. You can kind of get the size, you know. So we'll grab this section right here, cut them out real quick, enable it. We're gonna go to our work zero, we're there, and we should be good to cycle our G code.